Hello there and welcome again. This is class number 25 on 20 March 2024, big question number 14. Here's the course website. Let's click on course materials and here is the class. Again, it is class number 25. It is March 20 and it's big question number 14, and that's all related to extreme weather and climate change. Will climate change create more or trigger more extreme weather situations? So let's check out the slide deck. Again, it's the standard slide deck. You've seen this before. Here's our little online slide. Again, the video you're watching is embedded right here on the right. And as always, 3 steps. Please watch this short video for context and information. Then work your way through the slide deck, make sure you look at the speaker notes, and then finally complete online worksheet number 15. So let's look at this. We got, of course, our standard title slide here. Again, another link to worksheet number 15 here. The schedule, right? This is the middle of week number 10. We already had one online class. This is the second one. And then we have one more online class. And then, of course, week 11, we're going to meet again in the classroom. We'll start with this. Check out this brief video, a fantastic short video about how you sort of think about extreme weather at the personal level. So check that out. And then, of course, we always have the review and reflection. This takes you back to the last class, which was, of course, about impacts. So, you know, the impact story here. You've seen this slide before, that generally speaking, our area is not very vulnerable to climate change impacts. And then, you know, thinking about the sort of social justice, climate justice issues connected to climate change and climate change impacts. And then we get to big question number 14. Will we have more extreme weather with global warming? And the way this is set up is the same way it's always set up, right? You click on the link, you get the summary document, you know, with the slide deck, the video and the quiz, some basic information, some useful resources, some videos, review questions, terms and concepts, discussion topics, and so on and so forth. So please review this and then, of course, open up the slide deck and check it out. So I'm going to just switch over to the slide sorter here. And it's my standard slide deck. You know, we have some embedded videos here. This is a great one, Catherine Hayhoe, another Catherine Hayhoe video. And then working through an example here, and then this concept of the new normal, and then thinking about sort of analogies that we can use, the loaded dice, gambling, steroids, fertilizer. You can make your own analogy, and then thinking a little bit more broadly about what makes a natural hazard into natural disaster, this idea of coping range, adaptation, and you know, a little plug here for our major. If you find this sort of stuff interesting, consider some of our classes, some of our minors, or maybe our major. And once you've worked your way through the slide deck, you go back to the main slide deck here. And, you know, you get to the end. Here's online worksheet 15. You click on this link. That brings you to the Google form. And as always, right, you put your name in there and then you just complete the Google form. Multiple choice questions here, a little bit of short answer questions. And then you find yourself at the end, you hit submit and you're good. So that was class number 25. Again, if anything doesn't work, if you have any questions, if something is unclear, if you need some clarification, please send me an email. I will respond and we can solve that problem. And I'll see you again for class number 26.